What is up, y'all? Thanks for joining me today. I made it to the camp spot, and it's not what I expected, but I'm gonna make it work. I see some flat level ground down by the fire pit, and yeah, so I'm gonna set up there. All right, today's adventure is gonna be a little different. I'm gonna be camping in a poop tent, 2 of them. So you know, the kinds that you either change in or you poop in or you shower in. I'm gonna see if it's possible to actually sleep and camp in one of those. Now the weather is supposed to be pretty fair tonight, probably down in the 50s to high 40s. I know the material isn't very thick, it's kind of thin, so we're gonna see how it turns out, okay? So let's go set it up. Okay, I've got these tents side by side, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect these together like this, just to keep them sturdy and so they don't fall. So this might not work as well. I might have to put one of these stakes in there. I used different stakes in the corners, especially on the other side. And I use the ones that it came with. They're really thin, but if you pound them into the ground really close to the ground, they should be good to go. Unless you have like super crazy strong winds, but should be okay for now. We'll see. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up the inside with the little LED lights just to make it look cool. So it'll be a little poop fort. This is the light configuration, and I just taped it from the bottom where I can put the battery pack, and then it goes streams across and all the way to the other side and up there. I'm inside one of them, and it is a bit windy out there, but it's holding up pretty well, and this is going to be the toilet side. I decided this is where the toilet's going to be, and I'm gonna put the mattress here. Now, I am gonna be a little exposed, but I do have a tarp inside the Jeep, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there, I think. I'm gonna put the tarp over it. When it starts to get a little darker, I'm gonna put the tarp over it, just so I have some sort of coverage and privacy. I would hate for a coyote to come and bite my leg. I also sprayed insect spray all around the tent area, just in case. Because when I put the bed in there, I don't want bugs crawling all over it, because I know this area has spiders, and I love spiders, but not the dangerous ones. There are recluse spiders here, so I got to be really careful. All right, here's a tour of the poop tent fortress. Nothing in here but the toilet and the lights, and my bed is going to go across there and to the other side, just like that, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. You think I could Airbnb this? So, yeah, so I'm here. All right, the setup is almost finished, and it looks pretty cool. Can't wait to sleep in it. Let's see how it goes tonight. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and just finish some touch-ups to it, and then, yeah. All right, it's all covered, just in case there's wildlife out here. And the inside basically is here. So this is the stake that I'm gonna put when I go inside. I'll just stake it. I found a tarantula. Oh, shit. I found a tarantula. I think it needs help, so I'm gonna get a stick and then have it. I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna take it out to where it's safe. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now, don't look back, but hey, don't you wanna play? I let it go and it's safe now. Woo!
Why you look so sad?
Look at this night. It's just beautiful and cool. Finally, it cooled down just a little bit. Look at the sun behind me. Sunset. If there ever was one. Now that's what I call a fire. It's a beautiful night. I got the poop tents all set up, and yeah, so I'm gonna just enjoy the fire a little bit, and then I'm gonna change, call it a night. Gonna go ahead and just chill for the rest of the night and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Woo! And there you have it, sleeping in a poop tent, or two poop tents. Good morning, everybody. Okay, I slept pretty good last night. Woke up a few times just because the ground was uneven. But other than that, I slept pretty well. And yeah, so it is possible to camp in one of those pop-up poop tents, also known as photographer tents. But yeah, it's possible. The only thing is it does get dewy inside if you don't have anything to cover it, like as far as like a rain fly or a tarp. And I did have a tarp on mine, so it helped. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and until next time, roam with Jeep.
Nice clothes, late night shows, boogie down at the bar, fiddle tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now.